that you settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now.
As you can see, we are number 39. Yeah, sure.
As you can see,
we are number 39. On Shai Block, yeah, bafethu. And some word of today, bafethu. So, it's cut so seven of bafethu is called. Hey, when I'm found on Peter Martin. Yeah, Kadiza Zaman. Kalikokolo. Hey, people. Yes, as we are chilling bafethu at Petros bafethu. Yeah, mini block ya bafethu lena bafethu. Welele.
As a South Africa. It's a Malawi.
Asava? Malawi. Just up. Oh shit. Oh sha.
It's not 24 years. It's a Malawi.
It's a frotty guy. Oh yeah. Choco one.
Yeah?
Choco one. Un cookies on the tower. Un cookies on ever fit on Funima de Kunda and Tonetellani Malukunda, the fit you and a trade of it. Funima de Kunda, the boy above the boss at Hila. How Petros in yeah, we are still waiting for order bafethu. Yeah, in Shai Vlog, yes. Skatsakon. Akazubona zimumalisha le vlog le. Oh, uyadlala. Mina lizo trend kudala nina. Ngizo trend kudala. Bafethu nabona ngisebenzisa ifoni enjani no. Umuntu uvuyile. Ngizama ukubona iPhone ngiyidayisa mara bafethu ngiyidayisa mawuphethe 4K iPhone 13 le. iPhone 13 kaune. iPhone 13 bafethu ngiyidayisa bafethu 4K. Okay. No, bengibonisa manje ukuthi iphela ibhetri yabo. Iphela ibhetri. Bafethu nisiplomele yimo lokho limangela ukuthi ngifa. Ngisemolo kayiyo. Kuyadliwa bafethu. Welele bafethu, this is your boy Smindos the photographer waneshayina phansi la lesinyuka khona manje yini sikhatsi sakho na first of all bafethu dayisi phone ngingalitshela ukuthi ngizelene la kwa Petros dayisi phone bafethu phethe iPhone 13 bafethu mawuphethe i4K yakho ucash ngikunikeza
I'm your number one fan. I'm telling you, fame the front page. My nigga flying high. Zaki by Piley Mile. So your pictures go instant and made it to buyers. I will go to my model. I'll show you a band. Check the ring. Galef, but very bad throw a band.
Yeah. We are busy. Eva fetu to get band. Eva fetu. So what's it to zele now? Go to Petros yako. Toli Petros yakho uzithayipheleng iPhone 13 uDuly yabona oh nayi bafethi mi
That you settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now.
Ngiyayithanda lena bafethu ngiyayithanda angithi wena phinde ngithande netswayi ibheka mina ngithela itswayi baba ngingakathesti
that you settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard
Jimin. Anama sengiqala ukudla kanje ngifuna ukuyela eGym. Bafethu food review bafethu. So bafethu iPetros ngireta 8 out of 10 bafethu Petros ngoba ngode ibarbecue kayi. Yabo. Let's go and see another shop.
yazi mali njani lona yayikho enough unamata ufuna